Hi everyone, welcome to the new episode of the Daily Grind. I want to talk to you today about a product that I received in the mail, and it is right here. It is the Simflex, Simflex. I got this via Amazon, and it's something that I've been wanting for 10 years. Honestly, I think like everything works in 10-year increments for me. You know, you have it on your Christmas wish list and nobody buys it for you. I had that same issue with another product that I finally just went out and bought. But this Simflex is wonderful. It expands. Think about, and I bought this specifically to finish my denim jacket because this will help you get perfect spacing of your buttonholes or your snaps on your garments. So it will expand a lot. You can also use it for drapes and things like that. There's so many other uses you can use one of these for, but I've been wanting one for like forever, and I finally got one, and you can be darn sure I'm going to use that on my jacket and every other garment with things going on in the front. Another thing I want to talk to you about is digitizing software. If you watched some of the previous daily grinds, you saw that I put an embroidery design on my denim jacket. Now, if I wanted to create a design from scratch, which I could do, but I am not a good digitizer. I am very elementary, very novice digitizer. I know how to do a trace and edit nodes, but I'm just not very good at it. So I've been participating in the Facebook Lives in Janome Artistic Digitizer, and they are excellent. They are taught by Ann Hines. She's a Janome educator, and she does a great job helping people learn how to use artistic digitizer software. Now, a lot of times if a company, for example, Brother and Baby Lock, they have promos, and sometimes during their special promos throughout the year, they'll throw in luggage, they might throw in thread sets, they'll throw in software, digitizing software. But a lot of people are very intimidated by that software. They don't know how to use it, and they just set it aside, leave it in the box, and sometimes they don't do anything with it. It could be on their shelves for years and years, and by then it's out of date. A lot of times you'll go to eBay and you'll see these really cheap copies of PE Design or Palette or these high-end pieces of software, and you're like, how could they be so cheap? Because they probably got it free and they have no intention of using it. So that's a great way to pick up software that is inexpensive. But then when you buy it, you're still left with, how do I use this software? I don't know. You know, I've been there, okay? I first started off with Embird back in 2006, and I found Embird to be a very easy to use software. I got PE Design. PE Design, in my opinion, is not as easy as Embird. But then when I used Artistic Digitizer and I was exposed to it at a Janome Institute back in, I think it was 2019, I was like, wow, this is so easy to use. And I was really impressed. So when Ann started doing those Facebook Lives, I thought, you know what? I'm going to watch these. And one of these days, I think I'm going to break down and buy Artistic Digitizer. What I love is that you can learn from these Facebook Lives, and it seems like it's going to be a continuing Facebook Live, a little different than maybe it was a couple weeks ago, but just the fact that you can go and watch her videos, learn from those videos, and ask questions in those Facebook groups, and she will answer them, is so important to mastering digitizing software and becoming successful with it. So I just wanted to tell you to make sure you check out Facebook page, Janome Artistic Digitizer, if you are thinking about getting into digitizing and using digitizing software. And another big plus is Artistic Digitizer is priced below what I find that typically Palette and the Brother PE Design is priced at as well. So check it out, and that's all I wanted to say. I got the Simflex covered. I got the Artistic Digitizing software covered. I wanted to mention that. All right, I'm out for today. You go sew.